Good morning everyone. Welcome to online class of Modi Public School. Today we will be discussing part 6 of chapter number 5 decimals. And the topic of today's class is rounding off quotients. This is page number 52 of your maths book. Let us discuss question number 1 of page number 52. Question number 1 is round off the following quotients to the nearest tenths. Okay. So first of all we have to divide the given numbers and then we have to round off the quotient to the nearest tenths. Let us start. Here I am going to discuss a part of it. The question is 3.56 divided by 3. Okay, so we have to divide 3.56 by 3. Let us first arrange these numbers in this way. 3.56 divided by 3. Okay, so as I have already told you that we will first divide the number which is written before the decimal point. So here it is 3. So 3 ones are 3. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. Now here we will copy down this number which is 5. Okay. Now we will insert a decimal point here as we have copied the number which was written after the decimal point. Again it will be divisible one time only. 3 ones are 3 because 3 times 3 2 times is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. Let us copy the next digit which is 6. Now we can divide it 8 times. 3 8s is 24. So 3 8s are 24. Now 26 minus 24 is 2. So 2 is the remainder and this is our quotient. Okay. So here we will write down quotient is 1.18 and the remainder is 2. Now we don't have to see the remainder because we don't have to make anything or any changes over here, but we have to round off this quotient. Okay, to the nearest tenth place. We all know that this place is the 10th place of the number. Okay, this is called 10th place and this is 100th. Okay, so we will round off this number. To round off this place we have to check this digit, the digit which is written just before it, which is 8, and we all know the rule. The rule says 5 or more raise the score. ओके, यहाँ पर 10th प्लेस की डिजिट को राउंड ऑफ करने के लिए हमें 100th प्लेस की डिजिट को देखना होगा. मीन्स उसके जस्ट पहले लिखी हुई डिजिट को. यहाँ पर क्या है, 8 है और रूल क्या कहता है, 5 या उससे बड़ा नंबर होने पर इसमें +1 कर दीजिए. किसमें, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग जिसके नियरेस्ट हमें राउंड ऑफ करना है. हमें 10th प्लेस पे राउंड ऑफ करना है तो हम 10th प्लेस की डिजिट पे 1 प्लस कर देंगे. सो दिस नंबर विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू 1.2. अब हम इसको, हमें ये बात की जो डिजिट है, वी नीड नॉट टू राइट डाउन इट. ओके, सो दिस नंबर हैज़ बिकम 1.2 नाउ. तो हमने इसमें क्या किया, हमने इसको राउंड ऑफ कर दिया. डिजिट 5 से बड़ी थी तो इसमें +1 हो गया अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल. Let us now discuss F part of it. Okay, and the question is 8.650 divided by 9. Let us first arrange the number in this way, in division form. Now we have to divide it. As I have said that we will first divide the number which is written before the decimal point, and here it is 8. So we have to divide 8 by 9, but this 8 is smaller than 9. So 0 times division will be done. 0, 9 zeros is 0 because 9 ones is 9. 9 is greater than 8. 9 zeros are 0. Now 8 minus 0 is 8. Then we will copy down the next digit which is 6. Okay, and here we will insert a decimal point. Clear? Now 86. We all know that 9 times 9 is 81. Now 86 minus 81 is 5. So here we will write down 5. And here it is again 5. Now 55. Now we all know 9 5s is 45. 9 6 is 54. So here we will divide 9 6 are 54. 54. 55 minus 54 will be 1. 55 minus 54 is 1. So here we have written 1. Clear? Now we will write down this next digit, which is 0. Okay. Now 9 ones are 9. We will write here 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay. So quotient is 0.961 and the remainder is 1. Okay. We have to just check the quotient, not the remainder. Okay. So just this is the quotient 0.961. We have to round off this number to the nearest 10th place. 10th place is this, and the digit which is written in 10th place is 9. And here we have to check this digit, the digit which is written just before it. Okay, or to the right hand side of it. Now here it is 6. According to the rule says 5 or more raise the score. 5 or more raise the score. तो अगर ये 5 से बड़ा इसका score raise होगा, means it will be converted into it. We will add 1 to it, and when we will add 1 to it, it will become 10. 9 में 1 plus करेंगे, it will become 10. तो 1 digit क्या हो जाएगा? It will come to this side. So the digit will become 1.0, because यहाँ पे 9 में हमने +1 किया, it will become 10, 0 and 1 carry. So 1.0 will be the quotient. Clear to you all? Let us now discuss question number 2 of this topic. Round off the following quotients to the nearest hundreds. The same thing which we have done in question number 1, we have to do now. Okay, but the only difference is this time we have to round off this to the nearest hundreds. Let us start. We will first arrange the numbers in division form. Okay, the way we divide, we will first arrange it. 7.942. Okay, and this is divided by 8. Now we have to first divide the digit which is written just before the decimal point, and the digit is 7. So it is smaller than 8. So division will be done 0 times only. Okay, 8 zeros are 0. Now 7 minus 0 is 7, and we will copy down the next digit which is 9. Now as there is a decimal point here, decimal point लगा हुआ है, we will insert a decimal point in quotient as well. Now the number has become 79. So we all know 8 9s is 72. So here we will divide 9 times 72. 79 minus 72 is 7. Okay. Now the number is 7. Remainder is 7. We will copy down the next digit which is 4. Again the division will be done 9 times because 8 9s are 72. Now 74 minus 72 is 2. Let us write down the next digit which is 2. Now we will divide 2 times because 8 2s is 16 and 8 3s is 24, which is greater than it. So 8 2s are 16. Now here it will be 6 22 minus 16. Okay, so 6 cannot be subtracted from 2. We will borrow, and 12 minus 6 is 6, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So here the quotient is 0.992 and the remainder is 6. Now we have to convert this quotient. Okay, we have to convert this quotient. We have to round off this quotient, not convert. We have to round off it to the nearest hundreds. Now to convert it, to round off it to the nearest hundredth, we have to see it, the digit which is written in thousandth place. Okay, this is the thousandth place, this is called tenth, हंड्रेड एंड दिस इज थाउजेंथ. तो हंड्रेड में राउंड ऑफ करने के लिए आप थाउजेंथ का प्लेस देखेंगे. ओके, एंड द डिजिट विच इज़ रिटन ओवर हियर इज 9, विच द डिजिट विच इज़ रिटन ओवर हियर इज 2, which means according to it rule says 4 or less let it rest. 4 or less let it rest means this digit will not be converted. ये क्या होगी, as it is रहेगी, डिजिट में कोई कन्वर्जन नहीं होगा और ये it will remain 0. this we will not make any changes here, but this will remain as it is 9. Okay, so the number has become 0.99 now. Let us now discuss E part of it. Okay, and the question is 8.753 divided by 9. Let us first arrange it here. 8.753. Okay, so here the digit which is written before the decimal point is 8, which is smaller than 9. So here we will divide 0 times. 9 zeros is 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. Now we will write down this digit 7. Okay, and here we will insert a decimal point. Now the number has become 87. We all know that 9 times 9 is 81. Now 87 minus 81 is 6. Okay, and here we will write down 5. Now here the number has become 65. Okay, and we know that 9 6 is 54, 9 7 is 60. Here we will divide 9 7 times. 9 7 are 63 times. Okay, so here 65 minus 63 will be 2. Okay, 9 7 are 63. 65 minus 63 is 2. Now let us copy down the next digit, which is 3. Now we will divide 2 times. 9 2s is 18. Now we cannot subtract 8 from 3. We will take a borrow and the digit will be 13. 13 minus 8 is 5 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so the quotient is 0.972 and the remainder is 5. Okay, now we have to round it off to the nearest hundredths place. We will see the digit which is written in thousandth place. Okay, so here it is, again it is 2, which says, according to it rule says 4 or less let it rest. The digit will not get changed and it will remain same, and the number will become 0.97 only. Okay, so that's how we have to do the we have to round off the numbers. Okay, we have to round off the questions here. I hope that you all understood what I have taught you in this class, and you're gonna solve these questions in your maths notebook. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much.